Now, this beautiful product is viral for a reason because it just leaves a beautiful finish on any skin tone, including mine. Let me just apply right here. The Kiehl's eye cream. You and everybody that you know need to start using eye cream. It also works as a great stocking stuffer. So be prepared to be everyone's favorite friend, because if that person loves neutrals and sparkles, then this is the gift to gift. Give. Let me show you a little eye look I enjoy doing almost every day. And I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shimmer shade, because if you apply a shimmer with your finger, it just makes the shimmer pop more. I know some of my friends don't restock on mascara enough, so this is the perfect gift. The Huda Beauty One Coat Wow Mascara. As you can tell, I'm not someone who has like long eyelashes, but this mascara right here will do just enough justice for my little nubs. I don't want my beat to slip, and I know you don't either. So let me gift you some setting spray. Oh, and it smells magnificent. And I'm ready to go.